My name's Mark Lord.
G'day, my name's Andrew.
I'm a director.
And I'm the creative director of Thongs Australia. Thongs has just become a quintessentially Australian lifestyle product. So it's a product that you can wear every day, from the beach to the cafe to watching the footy or the cricket. And we're really proud that we're 100% Australian made here in Melbourne. We've found that with the growing consumer consciousness around the unsustainability of the fast fashion industry, a big focus for us has been making a quality product that's going to last many summers versus a product that might last a few weeks.
Australian-made product is renowned to be made well, and people are prepared to pay more for it. So that stamp allows us to deliver on quality assurances. Something that we realised through the process is when we are Australian-made, we were starting to contribute way more back into the Australian community. An advantage of manufacturing in Australia is that we can just pop down the road, maintain our product quality, talk through, design new things, try new options, listen to our consumers and turn it around much quicker.